So the the no follow through on a strong bar is one of the most important indications the market can ever give you. It is one of the clearest, one of the most powerful, one of the most meaningful things that when the market delivers something of power that just stops dead in its tracks and does not for a moment, does not for an instant give you more from that power, and then completely takes away that initial power. So those two things, listen to me carefully. The two things are, well, the three things are initial power, then zero, almost zero follow through or nothing additional that comes from that power. So initial power, no additional power. Then that's the two things. So the first thing is initial power. Second thing is no additional power. Third thing is the market or the stock takes away entirely the initial power. Wow. Those three things, traders, all right, are extraordinarily powerful when combined together. And so what you have here, we call this a bear 180. When you have the initial power, not followed by any additional power, then the opposite move takes away all of the initial power. Your short is really right there below the low. All right? That's your short. Your stop is above the high. Now, the odds of the market reversing this statistically are very, very low. This is what makes this occurrence one of the highest odds play in our arsenal. Now, another concept built into this that I want to teach you is that you always give the benefit of the doubt to the most recent power. So there are two power bars here, the power bar up, the power bar down, but it is the most recent power move that you bet with most of the time. All right, it all depends on location, but generally speaking, it is the most recent. Tell me you followed this so far, what I'm talking about so far here. Making sense? Yes? Okay, cool. Now, your short is under this bar. Your stop is above the high of the entire pattern. It is not, so it's the whole two-bar pattern that we're playing. So we don't want the whole two-bar pattern to be taken out. If it did, if the stock moved above the high of this two-bar pattern, it will neutralize or take away the very reason for our short, and that we don't want. All right? I told you Apple was trying to bottom here, right? Okay. I'm up an additional $1,000 here. Let's see if I can. All right, so now the other thing I want to point out to you, which is very important, is that a lot of times right after the bear 180 play triggers, there can be a reaction on the third bar or the fourth bar back up. And it could look like, oh my goodness, I'm wrong. It's backing up on me, you see? And this is not true because of the concept that we call the gift concept. All right? Now let me tell you what the gift concept is. The gift is whenever there's a move of power, like the bear elephant bar, this red, solid red bar, we call it a bear elephant. Just like this was a bull elephant. But the bear elephant wiped out. They were in a fight and the bear elephant 1 over the bull elephant. So now the range of the bear elephant, as long as it's a multi-bar inch upward, it's so let's say there's a move a little bit up and then the next bar a little bit more up and then the next bar a little bit more up. It's moving in a multi-bar fashion back into the range of the fat red bar or into the range of the bear elephant bar. You see? This is called the gift range. We're not afraid of the inch back into the gift range. In fact, we try to use that to get more short. So when you take this short, don't get afraid of an inch back upward, even if you're now partially negative or mildly negative. Don't get concerned. Stay put with your stop above the high. Now, it's different if the move up is 1 bar that goes all the way close to the top. That's a little bit more concerning. Now we've got another power bar, but a chopped up move. 1 little bar, another, that inch up isn't the one we're not concerned about. All right? Tell me you understand this so far. Yeah? Okay, cool. Now, these ranges are wide, remember, so you have to play size accordingly. Do you understand? Your size has to be played accordingly, traders. So you can't blindly go in with heavy size and your stop's going and then you realize, oh no, why did I go in with that size? Because my stop is supposed to be way up here now, but that's going to knock me out for the trading day. No, you've got to play accordingly. You've got to make this stop up here work by either going down in size if you need to or skipping the play.